Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Logitech G935 headphones, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the battery on this device. So sometimes if you notice that your headphones battery is draining very fast, very quick, you need to change it. So you can buy a new battery on the Google Store, on the Amazon, and then you need to replace it. And how to do it, I'll show you right now. So just open the magnetic cover from the left headphone on your G935 headphones, and here you will see the battery. As you can see, we have the battery here, and to open this battery you just need to drag out this contact. It's very easy to do, so I'll show you it again. Wait a while, I need to scope this image. Okay, so it's really easy to do. Okay, and then take the new battery and connect it in the same way. Then close the cover, place the battery in the own place, install the new battery, close the cover, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye, see you.